Hi everyone, I hope you are all having a lovely day. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time. Today I'm going to show you a very easy 15-minute recipe for a delicious Italian sauce, Puttanesca. If you don't know Puttanesca, it's a delicious tomato-based sauce that uses some black olives, capers, garlic, and we're going to be using a little bit of anchovies. I'll put the full list of ingredients right here and also the shopping list in the description box, and I think we can get started. Today I'm going to be using 2 garlic cloves, and I'm just going to slightly press them just with my hand, or you can use a knife also, just put it on top and slightly press. Now peel the garlic. And we're just going to be using a whole garlic, no chopping needed. So that's definitely a time saver. For the puttanesca, I'm using plum tomatoes. And since these are whole, put them in a bowl. And you can either use your hands or the potato masher just to squeeze them a little bit. This only takes a few seconds. And as for preparation, this is really it, and we can start cooking. I'm not going to show you how to cook pasta, but I will start boiling the water for the pasta at the same time. So first heat up 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add the 2 garlic cloves and wait until they turn golden. Then remove the garlic, add about 3 anchovies, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, add the tomatoes, add half a cup of black olives that are pitted, add 2 tablespoons of capers, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, add 1 teaspoon of salt, stir well. You can now increase the temperature and now cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you have this beautiful pasta sauce ready. You can now add some chopped Italian parsley. At the end, toss the pasta in. Thank you for watching. I really hope you try this meal, and I see you at the next one.